Imagine this, you hit snooze repeatedly, roll out of bed in a rush, and barely have time to get ready. You feel stressed, flustered, and already behind. Sound familiar? Now picture the exact opposite. You wake up feeling rested, energized, and in control. No alarm jolting you awake, no chaotic scrambling, just calm, intentional time for yourself. And that's the power of a well-structured morning routine. It activates your body, sharpens your mind, and calms your nervous system, so you're ready to handle anything the world throws at you. A great morning starts the night before. If you have seen my video on my 6-step night routine that transformed my sleep, you know how vital it is to set yourself up for success. If you haven't, be sure to check it out after this video. So I love saying this. How you start your morning is how you live your day. How you live each day is how you live your life. For years, I've been tracking my habits, writing in my journal, monitoring sleep scores, and observing how different routines impact my energy, focus, and productivity. And I've noticed this. The mornings when I stick to my routine, to my morning routine with full dedication, are the days I thrive. So today I'll share the exact steps of my morning routine and why it works. Let's dive in. Step number 1, wake up at the same time. Every day, consistency is key. Waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. It trains your internal clock, okay? This helps you feel more alert and energized in the morning. So here's a pro tip. Expose yourself to natural light as soon as you wake up. If it's still dark outside, turn on bright lights to signal your brain that it's time to start your day. Step 2, very important. Hydrate first thing in the morning. Hydrate as soon as you wake up. Your body becomes dehydrated overnight, so start your day with a glass of water. This simple step kickstarts your metabolism, boosts brain function, and gets you ready to take on the day. Step number 3, move your body. Movement wakes up the body and gets your blood flowing. You don't need a full workout, just 5 to 10 minutes of light stretching, yoga, or even a brisk walk is enough to boost your energy and set a positive tone. Now, if you prefer to do a complete workout in the morning, that's great. Just finish your basic morning routine first. It takes only 15-20 minutes. Then you can dive into your exercise session. Step 4, practice mindfulness or meditation. Now, before jumping into your to-do list, take just 5 to 10 minutes to center your mind. Meditation, mindfulness, or even a simple gratitude practice can work wonders. This quiet time reduces stress, it clears mental clutter, and helps you approach the day calm and focused. Step number 5, plan your day. Take out a few minutes to map out your day, review your schedule, and identify your top priorities. Another pro tip, do your main planning the night before, then use the morning to review your plan and refresh your memory. This clarity helps you stay focused on what matters the most. And step number 6, avoid social media or emails. So resist the urge to check your phone or email first thing in the morning. Screen time is a distraction that pulls your attention in 100 directions. Instead, focus on you during your morning ritual. Save emails and social media for later after you have grounded yourself. Now, folks, I get it. Mornings can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not naturally a morning person or have a packed schedule. But here's the secret. Start small. Even adding one of these steps can make a huge difference. Over time, you'll naturally build a routine that feels right for you. So here's a quick recap. Take a screenshot of this. Remember, a morning routine isn't just about productivity. It's about creating a space to thrive. Okay, start small, experiment, and let me know in the comments which steps you have added to your mornings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who could use a better start to their day. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fabulous.